Hey guys, today I am making a video of showing my squishies, like I said, at the mall. So yeah, first I'll get this, the bread, this one, and I will get, and I got this burger one here, and I also got, it's very squishy. These ones are very squishy. This one's so slow rising. Yeah. You know what? I just wanna just open these already.
That's the part. That's your food.
This is mine. Okay, so this. This one I open. I have to open. You know, I don't care anymore. I usually like to open my squishies. Oh my god, this feels like a real bread. This feels just like a bread. This is a bread with like sugar in it, like white powdery sugar thing. So I'm just gonna open. Oh god. I think this is a coconut bread thing. So yeah. Bread. Oh gosh. This is so messy. This squishy is messy. Look. It can just like once I touch it, it just like the powder, like the coconut bits are like falling off, like once I touch it.
Do you eat the coconut bits?
Yeah. Okay. So, and I also got this. Oh, I got another macaroon, another one. Got another macaroon.
You got the macaroon.
I got two now. And I also got another pink bread, but this one is darker. To unbox. Oh wait, unbox. I mean unwrap. This squishy. This one feels like a real bread too. And I also got this blue turtle squishy. Oh, this face is so cute. Okay, so yeah, that's all I have. No, wait, I have one more, and that's all. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. If it's not entertaining, I'm very sorry. I got this giant ice cream. See this thing? Chocolate ice cream. And that's all for today. Yeah. I hope you enjoy. And it's very long. I know. I'm very sorry. And see you next time. And bye.
So we're never going to be